The internet is a wonderful place. Don't let anyone tell you any different, because they're probably depressed and have gone through those super boring book a demo buttons where you have to talk to 10,000 people just to see what a product does. None of that here. Today, we're going to talk about the thing that gives people the most joy out of anything in the whole entire world: confetti. Confetti is a cool action that you can apply to things like different events. So if you click on something, or you if you go through that book a demo button and go through that onboarding flow, you might as well give them some confetti at the end to make them less depressed and more, give them a sense of hope that your product isn't that horrible. That's really what we're trying to achieve here. So let's get to it. Click E on whatever element you want your confetti to, or whatever element you want to trigger confetti. What we're going to do today is I'm going to just apply it to a button, which is basic. We've got this super basic, boring button. Doesn't do anything. You can click it, nothing. And then what we'd normally do is we'd apply a click event and then apply the action to that click event. So when you are clicking, an action happens. Very common. Right now, we don't have any confetti because I didn't build it or design it, but someone else did. So I'm going to go and get it in packages. Packages is a system where you can get packages from the community, so things that the community have built. Here, Jacob has built cool confetti, and here we see you have a description of the different things. There's a demo. You can click anywhere to shoot some confetti. That's kind of cool, right? I mean, I could do this all day. The thing that he also highlights here, this is the description, is confetti. You can fireworks. So you shoot fireworks. That's really cool. Particle count. You can control all these things. So these are the arguments, things that you can control. Do you want the confetti to drop down faster? Then you can manipulate the gravity. If you want it to be spread wider, you can have it spread. You can even alter the colors, but what we are going to do is shoot some more confetti. So that's very cool. We want to install this package, so I'm installing it, and then I'm going to go back to our project. And here in our project, we have our homepage. We have a button. We want to click the button. And then we want to add a click event. So we click the click, and on events, click. And then we're going to add a click event that's called confetti. And then we have standard confetti here. And we should be able to click the button. Yep, something happens. This is a little too boring for me because I love confetti. I love a lot of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say particle count. I'm going to do 50 is the standard value. 100 would be double that. Nah, let's go 1,000. And let's see what happens when we click into test mode. Go T and then click. And then there's a ton of confetti. And that makes me happy, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you find even better use for it. Speak soon.